Hello, tired of file hosts throttling your download speeds and failing halfway through? Today, we are deploying a fully optimized JDownloader automation setup to maximize your bandwidth for zero cost. Let's uncap your speed right now. Grab the verified setup package from the link below to get started. The moment you execute it, the script pulls the clean open source binaries directly onto your drive. Perfect. The core framework is integrated. Now, let the configuration handle the rest, mapping out your automated archive extraction scripts and custom paths in a flash. Let's fire up the control panel to view the dashboard. Copy any file link to watch the link grabber automatically parse and structure the data with zero lag. Your ultimate automated download hub is calibrated, verified, and ready to saturate your bandwidth. Head over to our webpage right now to secure your files and start downloading like a boss.